Hello guys, this is Eddie Mara here. This is my second video of cleaning the seat belt, the driver side, of course, on a 2001 Toyota Tundra. This is about 20 years old, and on my first video I show you how to, use the soap and water and some, cleanup product and soak it out. I left this out for like almost a day overnight, and just because its seat belt was so dirty and it's filthy, and now I'm going to show you how to take it back. And if you can see that how dirty is that, I'll pull that out, and once you pull that out you can see all that dirt. It's right over there, and I can pour the water down and show you how dirty is that too. I mean, you can see how yellow is that. I'll show you in the sunlight. It's a beautiful day out here in October in Arizona. I would put in a different a bucket also and wash it again. And in a minute I'll show you how that clean water got so dirty. And this one right here, we'll dump it out. And again, that's the clean water right there. That's pretty clean. And I'll show you how you can do that. And then if you can see how dirty is this right here, as you can see. I'm pouring it down. As you can see, all that dirt sticking there. Actually, it's on the bottom of the bucket. As you can see, all this dirty, all that stuff right there. And here comes it's all that dirt right there. It's so nasty. You can see that? There you go. Well, that's how dirty is that. And let me clean it up with the second wash. And it's all nice and clean right now. As you can see, it's much better than it used to be. And then again, you get a clean towel and put that on the towel. That way you won't get wet your seats and stuff like that. And rub it out, and you can spread it out and let it dry for a couple of hours, depending on how much of dryness you'll get so fast, to dry the seat belt. And let me show you how dirty is this clean water turn into be. If you can see that. See how dirty is that? That was a clean water, and that's the second wash. It's all that stuff on the bottom. As you can see right there, that's pretty nasty. That's pretty dirty. That's about 20 years of dirt inside the seat belt. Well, that's how you clean it. And if you like this video, just thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Come up with more cleaning methods about, you know, about the cars and trucks, whatever. And I hope you like the video. Thank you and have a good day.